And we're back! The Creative Living Room's 3rd Annual CupCake Wars Championship. 3 teams are competing for this year's title. Who will come out on top? Round number 1. The bakers have to make a batter.
Okay, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs.
I'll get the eggs. 11 quarters. No, 4 11ths. 4 11ths cups water.
How are you feeling about the competition today?
Good.
Good? You think you can do it? Yeah, do you have a strategy?
I'm gonna
Yesterday, right before the competition, you had a major injury. What was it?
What? I got hot glue all over my hand, and then my skin ripped off.
Got it. Oh my goodness. Do you think it will prevent you from performing your best in CupCake Wars?
No, I am always my best because I'm gonna work really hard, and my finger will not stop me.
Good. Okay, go. Get to work. Get to work. Get to work. Are you ready for CupCake Wars?
Oh yeah.
Who do you think is gonna win?
Now where's the
Us?
water?
Why? Why is Yellow gonna win?
Cause.
Cause.
To go. Cause. Can I get the pineapple lemonade? Are gonna win.
Yeah, I like your spirit. Yeah. Is that it all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. 1.5 cup. Oh, these are Rassy Skittles, not Jolly Bean Skittles. No. Okay.
We've got a runner coming from the green team to get the vegetable oil. Eggs. Just take what you need. Just take what you need. Be very careful. Be very careful if you're getting eggs. Be very careful. All right, we got a runner from the aqua team with eggs. All right, we got another baker here getting water. Ooh, green team looks very calm over here. Oh, we've got a runner.
Half cup oil. 4.5 cup. Wait.
This team has the vegetable oil. We've got William over here. He's the gluten-free baker. He's got his own set of directions here to follow.
How many eggs does it say? 3 eggs.
Let's do 4. Okay.
Oh, yay! I did it.
We've got people running all over the place getting ingredients. We've got lost bakers.
Where's water at?
Oh, wait, where's the water station usually? What's that, Gideon?
I said never rush unless it's hot.
Hey, yellow team, say hi.
Hi.
So I'm gonna ask, we've got Ruby over here right now stirring. Ruby, you're about to add green food coloring. Why is your team doing that?
To make it look like grass.
Okay, because what's the theme, you guys?
Nature.
Okay.
Are we running into a problem, Lila? What happened? We kind of mixed the recipes. There's one recipe is 3 eggs, one recipe is 4 eggs. We did the recipe with 3 eggs, but did the oil and water of the other recipe. So. Oh no! What's gonna happen?
So we did look.
So the oil was the same, but we did one.
It's got, yeah, you got, it's a lot of batter, so you gotta put a lot of food coloring in. I'm with a member of the green team. How's it going? What recipe did you guys use?
We used the egg whites recipe, so it would be extra fluffy.
Okay, I think you're the only team that chose to do that. What else can you tell us about your batter?
So we put Hershey's Kisses in it, so it would be chocolate.
Oh,
And
okay.
we turned it brown so it was like dirt. Unfortunately, it's reddish brown, so we said it was like clay soil.
Oh, nice. That's actually what I was gonna say. That sounds like a type of soil. So you guys are sticking with the nature theme, even in the batter, and you've got some interesting additives. All right, nice.
Yep.
Claire, what did you just get?
Food coloring.
Why did you get food coloring? What are you gonna do?
Food coloring.
You got it? What color are you gonna put in the batter?
Guys, we got food coloring. I don't know.
You don't know.
Oh, so yellow team, what did you decide to do with the batter?
We put in sprinkles.
Oh, interesting. Oh, we have another thing of sprinkles coming.
Tell me about CupCake Wars so far.
I'm pretty excited and really nervous that there's a timer, and I really hope that our team will win.
What's our strategy so far? What are you
Our
doing?
strategy is trying to make it as colorful and creative as tasty and how good it smells.
Yeah. Okay, take me over to the chaos ensuing behind you. What's going on over here?
So, a lot of there's pandemonium with the pouring into the thing. Put one in here. And there is some chaos. we need a little more blue.
No, put more blue. Put more blue.
So you don't have cupcake liners in there. So how about we just pour it back in the bowl and we try one more time?
Guys, we can do this. Just relax.
You guys still have 15 minutes. That's plenty of time. Gluten-free option, and this is chocolate, right? Excellent. How you guys are done?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, and you're already filled. Okay, so tell me about your batter. Okay, so what recipe did you use?
We did the
Top whole egg recipe.
We added sugar.
Oh, okay, so you used the whole egg. Oh, you added extra sugar?
Yeah.
So you changed the recipe.
And then we also added sprinkles. We added
dye.
sprinkles and we added sky blue, navy blue, and green.
All right, green team.
All
Explain to
right.
me your strategy here. What's going on with this bowl of eggs?
We do not. We did the egg white version, so it's gonna be extra fluffy.
Ooh.
But we forgot to add liners, so we're pouring. But we can do this because we are problem solvers, and
Yes.
we are the Verde VIPs, and we wouldn't be VIPs if we weren't doing problems.
Yeah.
That we have about 10 minutes left on the clock. You guys are the first team done, I think.
Yes.
All right, so we'll get your cupcakes into the oven. Did you guys fill all of your cupcake batter?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's going in the oven.
If you're going to the bathroom. If you're not going to the
We
bathroom.
made it. That is topping off the
This one.
cupcakes.
No, those are good, so we can take them over.
We're about to start the second round of competition. We would like the bakers to just give a little cheer for their team because we all got our cupcakes in the oven. Here's the aqueduct. You guys ready? Yeah. All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ducks fly high, ducks fly low. Aqueducts will steal the show.
Woo! Everybody cheer for aqueducts. Woo! All right, ready? Let's have, oh no. The Verde's what? VIPs, the Verde's VIPs. Green team, here we go.
Have you ever seen a Verde VIP? Take a look at me, a Verde you will see. Verde's attention! Verde's begin! Verde's are awesome! That's why we win!
Okay, energy. Okay, everybody cheer for the Verde's VIPs. Woo! All right, and our third group, we've got the pineapple lemonades. Ready? Pineapple lemonade, we're gonna cheer.
Pineapple lemonade! Yummy, yummy, yum! We'll drink away the competition. We'll be number one!
Woo, let's cheer for pineapple lemonade. Woo!
Like right here, like a little dog duck, and then little foot. So right,
What if we did like,
I think Connor's idea would work for the standing of the tree, and then we could put, see if we could get pretzel sticks, and then use the frosting to stick the pretzel sticks on, and then use frosting to put leaves on top of it, and the leaves would be yellow. Guys, Gideon is waiting to go. Yeah, yeah. I have a question for Audrey. How would we make it to look like the leaves are falling? Well, we could maybe make it look like the floor. Maybe we can make it like this is the top of the cupcake. We can make it look like with frosting. We can make it be two right there.
All right, each team has their cupcakes out of the oven, and now we're gonna decorate.
Put snow for winter because I was feeling lazy, and I know that this won't go to the judges because I want to eat it.
Okay.
Bexley!
Yellow.
Lila, what color are you doing?
White.
Sully, what color are you doing?
Blue.
Alima!
Green.
Rolly, what you doing?
No idea.
All right. How's it going over here?
Good. I'm making a spring cupcake showing a melting snowman with little bits of green coming out.
Nice. Oh, these are all your cupcakes.
Look.
Very nice.
I don't want to eat mine.
Okay, this one's not. So mine like the sprinkles are seeds and they're like sprinkled on the grass. The chocolate I did chocolate covered pretzels that are kind of melting,
Okay.
but it's like kind of like dirt and kind of like spreading on top of it. I put sprinkles in my cupcake because, well, it's seeds in the ground.
Oh, that's really smart.
Thank you.
cupcakes were these? Yellow. Okay, so yellow is going to introduce their cupcakes. Olivia, do you want to explain the yellow team's cupcake? Or explain your cupcake?
Yeah.
Okay, Olivia, explain your cupcake real quick.
My cupcake is a volcano cupcake that has like sprinkles and jelly beans.
Hold on. Let me film it real fast.
Tara's filming it.
There it is? Okay, good. All right. So, we've got a volcano cupcake. Who else? Ruby, you need to explain your cupcake?
Mine is a cave with a little opening in a bush.
Okay, we've got a cave with a little opening and a bush. And then...
Mine is like the tree with
My cupcake is the one on the right with a lily pad border and duck feet. Like duck.
This one? I love the lily pads. That was a nice touch.
Mine is supposed to be like Hawaii with the trees, and the brown one's supposed to be a volcano. And mine is the one. It's since we're about alphabets, it's a duck with like teal, like aqua colored, like sugar sprinkles.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
I just wanted to use some yellow icing, and I put some red in it and slowed it a little, and hope you guys like it.
Thank you. Very
My cupcake is the one in the middle. I made this one in the sky with the grass because I wanted nature and like the sky to be in it to describe the earth.
Oh, I love that.
All right, last representative.
My cupcake is the melting snowman cupcake. So it's just a melting snowman, and it's like it has jelly bean eyes and stuff.
Awesome.
Taste the yellow team's cupcake first, and then we'll just get one word from each judge on the yellow team cupcakes. One word. They're tasting the yellow team's cupcakes. Oh, I see smiles.
lovely.
Okay, Zoe, one word to describe yellow team's cupcake.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Oh.
Green.
Green. Sparkly.
Sparkly. All right, everybody taste an aqua cupcake. We're tasting the aqua cupcakes. Oh, anticipation. All right. So we're eating an aqua duck,
Yes.
three-dimensional aqua duck,
Lily
water,
pads.
lily pads.
Hawaii.
Oh, with trees, okay. All right, okay. Okay, Judge Zoe, one word to describe aqueducts.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Yummy. Tropical.
Tropical. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna taste a bite of the green team's cupcakes. Green team, we're tasting your cupcake. Stay calm. Judges are getting very emotional over here.
Sugar. Yeah.
Okay. All right, one word to describe the green team's cupcakes.
I think I'd go with cupcakey.
Cupcakey. Cupcakey.
Artistic.
Artistic.
Colorful.
Colorful. Okay. All right, the judges are going to take a couple minutes to deliberate, and they will come announce the winner of Creative Living Room 2021 Cupcake War Championship.
Guys, the construction of the cupcakes and the toppings was awesome. That's amazing that you did that on a cupcake with all these toppings. Aqua Team, really lovely designs. I liked the theme we had going on with the blues and the greens to match your team. And really like artistic action going on the green team with the swirls and stuff. Really playful with the color. I love it.
Should we say?
All right, who is announcing the winner?
Amazing.
You're all
yeah.
winners, but there can be only one true CupCake War champion.
Yeah.
You want to say it on three? You want to do it?
The winner is
Oh my goodness.
the Aqua team.